Hello all and welcome again. Let's continue. So, in the last class, we saw how a printf statement works. A printf statement outputs data to the screen. In this class, we are going to see how a scanf statement works. A scanf statement is a basic input statement. It accepts input from the user. So, to demonstrate the use of printf and scanf, we are going to write a program that adds two numbers. So, let's get started. So, uh, so to add two numbers, you need three variables. Variables are memory spaces that hold data. Two memory spaces to hold the data that the user enters, and the third memory space to store the result of the sum operation. Okay, so let's name them as A, B, and C respectively. Let A and B hold the input data and C hold the result. So we have to tell the compiler that what kind of data A, B, and C are going to store. So in my program, I am going to make use of only integer data. So to tell the compiler that A, B, and C are going to store integer data, I have to prefix it with int. Int is a keyword that tells the compiler that A, B, and C are going to store integer data. We can also have other data types like float, etc. I'll teach you about data types in later sessions. As for now, we are going to use int. So, uh, so in the next line, I'm going to request the user for some input by using the printf statements. So I'm going to tell to the user to please enter two numbers, and by reading this, the user is going to give me two numbers for processing the sum operation. So as we can see that I have entered percentage %d here, which tells that the scanf statement is going to deal with only integer data. I have entered ampersand a here, which tells that the first input which the user enters through this percentage %d is going to get stored in ampersand a. Likewise, the second input that the user enters through this percentage %d is going to get stored in ampersand b. Ampersand a means address of a and ampersand b means address of b. So the first input gets stored in the address of a and the second input gets stored in the address of b. So this is how a scanf works. You can get multiple inputs through the scanf. So to add two numbers, we use the plus operator. Plus is known as an operator. So to add a and b, we write a plus b, like in basic maths. And in my program, I want the sum of a and b to get stored in a variable called c. So I have to change the statement like c equal to a plus b. Now the sum of a and b gets stored in c. So I have to print the result now. Sum is percentage %d. So you can see that I have not used ampersand in printf statement as in scanf statement. Why? Because in scanf statement we access the address. In printf statement we need only the value. So for accessing value we do not need the use of address. So we do not specify ampersand in printf statement. So that's it for this code. So let's save it. Let's compile it. Operations is the name of my file. So let's ignore the warning. So I'm running it. Please enter two numbers. I'm entering 10 and 20 and sum is 30. I hope you understood what a scanf statement and printf statement can do. So that's it for today. If you like my video, please do like it. If you want more videos, please do subscribe to our channel. It will be very helpful for us. And please do continue watching our videos, and thank you.